Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about a Spanish verb, a really important Spanish verb. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. A big shout out to this channel member. Thank you so much for your support, and you can also be a member on this channel. That supports this channel a lot, and the memberships are here, and they're all very good. If you want to learn more Spanish, just take a look at them and see the perks that you can get, and if you like one, just get one if you can. If not, that's fine, but it helps the channel a lot if you get one. No pressure though. Okay, so today we are going to learn a new Spanish verb. Maybe you know this verb already, but we're gonna talk about the meanings, more than one, of this verb. The Spanish word of the day or verb of the day is ocurrir. Ocurrir. This is a regular Spanish verb, and it means to happen, when something happens, to occur to, or to think of. Similar to having an idea, you know? You are thinking of something that you could do, right? It's not like I'm thinking of you or something like that. We're talking about ideas. We're talking about eureka, you know? I found an answer, or I got an idea. Okay, so now let's see a few examples using this verb. ¿Qué ocurrió aquí? ¿Qué ocurrió aquí? What happened here? Yeah, so that is a common sentence, very common. And ocurrió is in imperative tense, and it means happened. When something happens, anything. It could be an accident, it could be a disaster, it could be something that happened, you know, something that you didn't know how it happened, you know. What happened here? There was a car crash or something like that. ¿Qué ocurrió aquí? What happened here? ¿Qué ocurrió aquí? What happened here? Okay, so let's see another example. ¿No se te ocurre pensar antes de hablar? ¿No se te ocurre pensar antes de hablar? This means it doesn't occur to you to think before you speak. So this is something rude to say in Spanish and in English, but it's commonly said, it's commonly used. People say it all the time. ¿No se te ocurre pensar antes de hablar? It doesn't occur to you to think before you speak. So yeah, that is interesting. Ocurre here means occur to, right? Just like we said previously. And let's see one more example. Se me ocurre una idea impresionante. Se me ocurre una idea impresionante. This means I'm thinking of an impressive idea. You know, people can have good ideas, bad ideas. Ocurre means thinking of, or it could be similar to come up with something, you know. Se me ocurre una idea impresionante. I'm thinking of an impressive idea. Okay, so that's very easy. That wasn't difficult. This verb is quite easy, but it has more than one meaning. Ocurrir means to happen, to occur to, or to think of. When something happens, when something occurs to someone, or when someone is thinking of an idea, of something that, you know, brilliant, I should do this, or I have to tell you, I just came up with something, I just thought of something. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons, and also you can get a membership on this channel. You can support this channel through that, and also you will learn more Spanish that way. Check out the amazing perks and what the memberships are about. You can also donate to this channel. You can go to smlessons.com and click on donate, or on that big PayPal button. Another way to support this channel is by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.